Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video we have come up with another very interesting question pertaining to the quantitative section. So the question that we will be dealing with in this particular video is of inequalities or geometry. Okay, algebra. Okay. So the question that we have in front of us is basically number of values a particular x can take, which makes a certain set of expression less than 0. Okay. So we'll take a look at the approach of the same, and subsequently we'll try and solve the same as well, so that whenever we come across a question such as this, we are easily able to solve them. Okay. So with all that said and done, let us just simply focus on the question at hand here. So this sort of question, before we proceed, the particularly inequalities are frequently asked in the QA section under the algebra topic. Okay, be it your GRE, GMAT particularly, and any other MBA entrances, this sort of questions are quite regularly asked. So we'll try and solve the same and subsequently get a good idea in regards to the approach. Okay, now let's take a look. If x is a positive integer such that x minus 1, x minus 3, x minus 5 dot 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 till x minus 93 is less than 0, then how many possible values can x actually take? So basically what we have is x minus 1, x minus 3, x minus 5, x minus 7. So all the odd numbers till x minus 93 less than 0. Okay, so this you can see is probably a question of inequalities because it's given less than 0. Let us now find the critical points. So for this we know critical point is 1, for this critical point is 3, for this critical point is 5, for this critical point is 7, and subsequently if this goes, for this critical point is 93. Okay, now let me do one thing. Let us see how many total number of terms are there. So our terms would simply be 1, 3, 5. So see, this is an AP with common difference of 2. Okay, you can see. So let me see what is the total number of terms of 93. So we know AP's term Tn is a plus n minus 1d. It can be given. So 93 equals to, sorry, 1 plus n minus 1, and d is 2. So 92 by 2 equal to n plus 1, 42. Hang on, sorry, n minus 1, so 43 equal to n. So we have 43 such terms. Now let me just draw up a number line. Okay, oh sorry, see, this is my number line, and I'll simply mark 43 such critical points. Say 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. This will continue going on and on till we have the last point 93. Okay, all these numbers will be there. Now since it's given it is less than, we'll start off by placing across here. Okay, across, we'll use a different color. Across, sorry, let me start over placing a cross here. So if it is less than, we'll start off on the right hand side, the rightmost side with a cross. If it's greater than, we'll start off with a tick, and tick here, cross here, tick here, cross here, tick here, and this continued trend will go on and on. Okay, so since there are 43 terms, so that is up to 42nd term we will have, for every cross we'll have a tick. Okay, so it started with cross, so it will end with the, okay, so it started with the cross, so this particular point it will end with a tick, and then subsequently in this regards we will have another cross. Okay, so cross tick will continue, and then subsequently at the very last term we will have one tick extra. Okay, hang on, sorry, I just might made a mistake in this regard. Just a second. 46 by 2, it will be 46 minus 47 terms, sorry. 92 by 2, this will be 46, 46 plus 1, so 47 terms. Just a second. Let me just reiterate this one more time, because the dynamic has been changed. Okay, so this will be 47, sorry, my bad, because 92 by 2 is nothing but 46, 46 plus 1 is 47, so 47 such terms. Now let me just draw a number line in this regards. Okay, so here I'll start off with say a 1 here, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, dot dot dot, everything will continue this regards. Okay, finally 93, 91, so subsequently. Again, since it started off with a less than, I'll place a cross here, tick here, cross here, tick here. It goes on, and the last one I'll place a tick. Okay, so it started off, we won't be considering this region because this has to be a positive integer. So less than 1 we will have subsequently a negative integer, so we cannot possibly take that. So since 47 term, and even if we take, this would be a cross anyways. So since 47, so till 46th terms, okay, 46 terms, we will have one cross and one tick. Okay, for every cross we'll have one tick, so basically we'll have 23 crosses and 23 ticks, and all these ticks will be our possible values of x. Okay, so therefore x can have 23 values. Okay, I initially messed up with my calculation, so 92 by 2, otherwise process and everything remains the same. So I hope this question is clear to you with regards to the approach involving. So this way, you solving this question using inequalities makes this sort of questions relatively simple. Okay, so it really eases out your entire process to a great extent. So I hope this thing is clear to you as well. Having said that, if you're looking for detailed solution of the entire paper, please feel free to connect with us, and we'll be more than happy to help you out in all this regards. Okay, so with all that said and done, I'll be signing out. So if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel, so we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. With all that said and done, thank you so much.